This is Andrew Stotts of A Stotts Investment Research to talk about my country profiles, in this case, Malaysia, which has the lowest risk in Asia. I look at four components of a country profile. The first, in the upper left-hand corner, is the breakdown of GDP. And what we can see in the case of Malaysia is that the GDP at 4.59% is relatively fast growth for Asia right now. The drivers were private consumption. Of that 4.59, 2.69 of that was from private consumption. In addition, 1.7 of that was coming from investment. Exports was the only drag, and it was a very minor drag. If we continue on and look at the upper right-hand corner about the market, what we can see is that lower earnings for the past 2 years is expected to recover in 2017, according to consensus forecasts. The next thing we can see is that dividend yield is above the Asia average. If we continue on and look at the four elements, or what I call FVMR, we can see for Malaysia that it's moderately attractive. You can see it's a ranking of about 5. Fundamentals, ROE was just about 10%, so not that impressive. Valuation, earnings don't support its relatively high PE. And we can see also that momentum, in the case of both earnings and price, momentum has been weak. And finally, its risk that has done pretty well, and that's because of a low beta and low gearing, so both price and fundamental risk. If we continue on to the last section, which is about sector performance, first of all, we can see that the top three sectors in Malaysia are financials at 20% of the market, industrials at 15%, and consumer staples at 13%. The best performing sector was utilities, which is only down by -1%. And Tenaga was basically flat, was the best performing company. The worst performing sector was energy, and we had this petroleum company that was down almost 31%. So there you have it for Malaysia. You want more? Well, get access to additional research and articles, sign up for a free membership and newsletter. Just go to BABI, that stands for Become a Better Investor, now.com/join.